Welcome to the day 3 of the 10 days publishing challenge, and today we will be talking about different things entirely, which is journal. As you all know, there are different kind of journals, and as the definition implies, is just like a diary you can keep for daily events or just documentation of some of your thoughts or publication dealing with specific industry or field. And that is what journal is all about. Journal can be different kind of just documentation. It can be your diary or just like a notebook that you do jot some things inside. And we will be looking into the types of journal we have, and we have academic slash scholarly journals, trade journals, current affairs, opinion magazines, popular magazines, newspaper. When talking about journals, people use journals for different activities, different kind of journals for different kind of documentation or activities. So what are the dimensions for creating a journals? There are lots of dimensions you can use to create your journal, which 6 by 9 inches is the most popular used ones, and we have others too, like 5.6, 8.5 by 6.4 inches. And just always keep this in mind, you can explore different dimensions of your choice. Just make sure you keep it simple and put in some creativity. So let's get to work. And today we will be creating a journal together, and let's get started. We'll be using 6 by 9 inches. So let's go to our Canva, and that is where we'll be working. So Canva, okay. So like I said, we'll be looking into 6 by 9 inches. So as normally, click on this icon, plus icon, and select your new customized size. When did my distance turn to this? So first change this to inches and 6 by 9 inches. So create new design. Okay, this is our working space. This is where we'll be working on. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. As I told you in the first video, that always work with your margin and your print bleed, and this is our margin line. This line here is our margin line, and this is our printing bleed. So always work with that. So to make things simple, and like as I promised in the first video, that the second video will be basically simple than the first video, because we are not creating this from scratch. Just come to this plus icon here and search for journal. Okay, just search for journal. You can put S, search for journals, and let's see some of the ready to use template. As you can see, there are lots of templates. They are like journal like templates, which you can simply use to create your own journal. As you can see, there are different kind of them, and let's see the one we'll be working with. As you can see, this is 5 minutes journal, 5 minutes journaling, daily gratitude. So I haven't seen the one I want to use. Okay, I think I can use this. Let me go with this. Okay, as you can see, it fits perfectly in our working space. Yeah, it fits perfectly. As you can see, all the lines and the text are not exceeding the margin line. So this is the kind of things I want to use, but I will do some editing. So first, I don't need this. I'll have to delete this, and I still need more lines which I will be duplicating. I like it like that. Where is the duplicating? Okay, click here and duplicate. So I have some more lines here. Just move it to fit in where you want to paste it. I think here will be good. Okay, yeah, it's cool here. I think it's okay here. And normally journal used to have date, so we need date. So I need line. Let me ungroup it first, and I need to just duplicate this one. I need to duplicate that. No, 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 no. Delete. I only need one line. Need one line. Okay. Okay. Since it's just a date, the line won't be that long like others. So just have to, I want to perfect it. Straight, not too straight. I need a very straight line. Okay, so this is the kind of line I need. Okay, and date. I don't want to be bringing in more and more distance, so that is why we'll be duplicating this and move it up. So I will just have to edit it and put in the date. Okay, so the next thing is to edit it. Edit. So date. Okay, it's okay like this. I just have to move it. So okay, just have to move it a little bit. I hope you're getting it the way I'm doing it. Okay, I think it's okay like this. And the next thing I need to add here is what? Okay, I forgot to tell you the title of the journal I'm creating. I'm actually creating something related to journal. Teacher journal, just for keeping in his or her daily task and monitoring student performance and all those things. So that is the kind of journal I'm creating right now. So what do you think the journal will contain? I mean, the writing inside, or what do you think I can add? Okay, let me just think and be creative. That is one of the benefits, or the one of the aspects which bring in more sales in this kind of business. So you have to be creative. The more creative you are, the more chances of uniqueness it will become and the more chances of making sales. So what do you think I can add apart from date? Okay, let me just add this text. It can be, as a teacher, you will have your own routine or your daily activities. So let me just add my today's activities. Okay, let me duplicate this. I don't want to be just bringing in more text from different angles. I just need, okay, let me just edit this. My today's today's activities. So it's cool. That's the first thing in our journal. So my today's activities. So this 3 line will be enough for the teacher to jot his or her activities. I think it's okay like that. So what do you think we need more apart from today's activities? And if you can check this, can it be like this? Can we just leave it in a state form, or we can just shorten in the line so it can be in form of listing, or we should leave it like this? Okay, no problem. You can either leave it like this or make it in form of listing, just like a short line of half pages. So apart from today's activities, okay, let me just add something. Okay, as a teacher, some students can come up with some definition which will be super or just like a genius, the way some genius do think sometimes that, okay, what's the definition of this? The student can just stand up and give a well-defined definition. So let's leave a space for that. So it can be, let's name it like genius of the day quote. Genius quote or lesson. Okay, I think this line will be okay, but what I need is to just re-edit this line on group. Okay, let me just move the line name so there will be a space for the teacher to write the student name. No, I need this first line. Okay, just watch me as I'm doing it. Watch me as I'm doing it. So I have to delete this line. Just pardon me for doing that. It's for the sake of perfection. I have to delete it. I need a short line. For the teacher to write the name of the student who performed great well in class. So I have to edit it to be name, student name. I have to bring this downward too. I think it's okay like this. Okay, I think it's okay. So student name and what the student said in class will be written in these 2 lines. So what do you think we can add more to this page? Okay, I think we can write, maybe list of maybe best performing students of the day. Oh, what do you think about that? What can you say? It's good, right? Okay, let's edit this to list of best performing students of the day. List, list of best performing students of the day. Okay, so this can be just like a list of students who perform well in class. So let me ungroup these two. Okay, let me bring this downward. I can add one more lines to this. Let me add more lines. Duplicate. I'm sure by now you should know how to use all the elements on Canva by now. Okay, so since it's a list, I'm making this one to look like one. Since it's a list. So I have to delete all this. Okay, duplicate these two. So I need like 4 lines. 4 lines should be okay for that. So let me balance it. Okay. This third line should be around here. Okay, so let me move this thing downward a bit. Okay. Okay. I think we got the right. You're getting it. Okay, so what next? So what can this place be for? Oh, I just forget something now. I think that is the date here. We move it down here to use it for other things. So we have to take it back there and duplicate. So we have to move it upward to fix what we've messed up. Okay, just do that. You can watch and watch this so you won't miss anything. So let me edit it and put in the date. Date, and the line here we have to duplicate it to take it back to its initial place. Okay, so we've fixed that, and the next thing is to fill in these two icon, which is today I'm looking forward to edit it to suit the purpose of this journal. And okay, I just got an idea now. Okay, I will have to adjust this because I just have decided to make it a 2 pages of used journal. So let me adjust this. Let me put it downward and duplicate this. Duplicate. So I think it's okay like this. No, it should be okay like this. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the next line will be, it can be the list of the laziest student in class in ascending order, or list, it can be list of okay, for the purpose of this class, let me just make it need improvement or attention student. So need improvement slash attention students. Okay, let me just make it like this. It can, this word denote maybe those students are weak or they need attention. So let me make it a short line too. Group. I can even delete all. Just delete all and duplicate. Let me move this one, duplicate, and move it downward. Okay, so let me duplicate it more and more. Okay, so let me adjust it. Adjust it. Okay, and the last one here, I can add one more, but before then I have to bring this downward. I have to bring this downward. No. I hope you're getting how I am doing it. It's simple. It's so simple. Okay, so I think we are almost done with this. We are almost done. So what do you think I can use the remaining space for, since I've decided to make it a 2 pages of used journal? So, and this last icon can be for, let's say, rapidly improving students. So let me edit it and make it like that. I'm just doing this for the challenge purpose. Rapidly improving student. Okay, and as usual, I'll make this one too, just like listing. So this is it. Let me just adjust this because this one has passed our margin line. So let me adjust it like this. Little adjustment. I think little adjustment will be okay. And wow, it's fitting our line. No, I want to make this to fit in perfectly. So I think it is okay like this. And this is our first page. This is our first page. And let's quickly work on our second page. You know how our second page will be like? It will be just be for like conclusion or a note. Observation, I think it should be for observation. So let's go to our second page. Okay, the second page will be for observation. Let me look for the same template I used, so I'll use it again. I think I use this. Okay, just delete all these and delete all these. Morning and delete all these. I will have to duplicate this and duplicate again. So oh my god. Okay, let me duplicate it again. Let me duplicate this again. So I will have to use it again. Okay, this is where I will write whatever I want to write. Okay, let me just adjust everything so it will fit in what I want to use it for. Okay, I think it's okay like this. One more duplicate. No, this is not what I need. Okay, so let me just put in a text here. No, that is not where I'm clicking. Okay, so edit. So observation. Okay, I think is okay like this. Just have to shift this, move it up a little bit. I think it's okay like this. So this is my second pages. Observation. This is the first pages and this is the second pages. Do you like it? I don't care. So we are done with this. As you can see, if you're creating even if you're creating your notebook, you can simply use this, filled everything with line, and you've gotten your notebook without you creating it from the beginning. And you're gonna see some templates which will fill all this space. So the next thing is to duplicate. So if you want to duplicate this kind of work, you have to mark it. So select one, select two. So now duplicate. We have two lines, duplicate. We have two lines, duplicate. We have two lines. So but before this, I need what do I need? I think I need a first page which will be plain. Add. So I need the plain sheet from the beginning. No, not this 7. Delete. Not this. This is where I need it. Okay, so let me delete this. Delete this. No. This is the one I want to delete. Okay, let me delete this and this too. No, 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 no. I mistakenly select this. I want to delete this, not this. Okay, so delete. So I need this page to be my first pages. So let me select 2. So let me continue duplicating it till I got the number of pages I need. Okay, so I think I will make this 120 pages. 120 pages. That is automatically like 60 pages of use, which is too much. It is not much. So let me quickly work on this first page. So so how do I go about this? Since I'm creating something for teacher, then I will type in something related to teacher, like this journal belong to. I'm sure you understand those stuff, and that is exactly what I'm going to do now. So let me click on this. I need some text, and click on text, and let me select. There are some fine what do they call it, font you can use here. As you can see, there are some very good fonts you can use, but I'm not using font first. Let me just add in some. Let me choose subheading. So let me edit it. This journal belong to this journal belong, no, I'm typing rubbish, belong to, okay, this is what I need. Just have to balance it up. I can change the font if I like. These are different fonts I can use here too. I can change the font, which I will do. Let me go for this. Okay, I love this. So this journal belong to, then let me use, I need a straight line. Okay, so I need a line, which I will go under element and select a line. Straight line is okay. Okay, now let me use this. Can this one go beyond this? I overstretch it. Let me just drag it here to balance it. I think it's balanced like this. Let me just use, this is not balanced. I don't want this to waste my time. Don't know if it is balanced or not. Don't know if it is straight or not, but I can just leave it like that. So this journal belongs to the person will write his or her name here. And the next thing I want to do is to just write something about teacher. You understand? Don't like this line. This line is too pained. I think it's okay like this. No. I think it's okay like this. I think it's I don't care. Line end. I think it's okay like this. I don't even know. Let me just go with it. you know, I don't even know if it is straight or not. But let me just leave it like that. And let me write something about teacher. I'll just have to be creative when writing it since it's just a writing. Let me just use some good text. Let me just use some good text. Okay. I'll be changing this to red. Let me edit it. If this one will go, let me change it to black first. Let me edit it if it will go first. Okay, where is the edit? Edit. Okay, okay. Let me just write the profession. The profession. Right. Create order profession. So I think that's a feature for you. So let me just back. So I want to make it fit in here. No. I'll make it small so that it will fit in here very well. And the first one, let me just put in teacher. Okay. Okay. Teacher. Okay. Since teacher is the profession that created that profession, that is why I'm doing this for them. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Let me just balance it. The profession that created that profession. I'm sure you like it too. I don't know if you like it or not. I'm just doing my own. So let me move it forward. I think I need to ungroup this. Let me ungroup it. So I have to edit this teacher separately. No. No, I'm not editing it. I just want to move it. Okay. I think it's good and it's okay like this. You like it? So this is my first page. Let me move this downward small. Just want to make it look perfect. I'm not uploading this and I'm not designing the cover, so I just have to be creative when doing this. No. Make this thing more bigger. I think it's okay like this. So this is my first page. Teacher, the profession that creates other profession. This journal belongs to the name and first page and the second page. First page, second page, first page, second page. So let me go back to the editing to duplicate. Okay, I select one, select and select the second page. So duplicate till you get the number of pages you want your notes or your journal to be. As you can see, I already have my 120 pages, which is 121 because of the first page. So click on this and download. So this is it, my 121 pages. Okay, I have nothing less for me than to just download. Always remember, you are downloading the PDF print format. You are downloading the PDF print format. So after downloading this, you can go to your Canva to design your cover for it, because I'm not doing that for you since I did that in the first video and I'm not a good designer too. That is an expo. So just go and design a good cover for yourself before uploading it, and I will be giving you some keywords you can use if you are creating this kind of journal or other kind of journal too. I'll be giving you some keywords you can use. So I'm done with this. See you in the next day of the challenge, which is the day 4 of the challenge. Bye.